Hello there. Do you want to know more about land banking? Composer. Let me tell you. What is land bank? Land banking is simply the act of buying land in developing areas or underdeveloped areas with the hope of keeping and to appreciate later. You are still confused. Why would you buy land, keep it, and wait for it to appreciate? Do you know the land you buy today at a very small amount of money? It has a lot of value later in the future. Let me expose you more. Land banking is simply the act of buying land and keeping. If you want to say it in a layman language, you say buy land, keep land. The land you buy today, it has lots of value in years to come, depending on the area you buy the land. Buying land and keeping land is more profitable than buying land and using land almost immediately. Don't get me wrong. I won't say buy your land and don't use your land, but we are dwelling more on land banking, which simply means a strategic way of buying land and keeping land and waiting for it to appreciate.
Do you know the land you didn't own today? What's millions tomorrow? That's land banking for you. Now, let me tell you more about land banking. Types of land banking. We have the private land banking and the public land banking. Public land banking is done by the government or the public agencies, and it is used to control the urban growth, while the private land banking, it is carried out by individuals or companies for profit.
Now, having known about types of land banking, we won't just stop there. There are also benefits of land banking. Benefits of land banking can be seen in different lights. We have low holding costs. Now, what is low holding cost? It means if you buy land and keep, you actually necessarily do not have to spend money. Let me give you an example. You can decide to buy a land in an underdeveloped area and decide to fence it and keep it till where you decide to use it for anything. E.g., you can use it for livestock farming. You can also use it for buying crops, production, whatever things you want to use it for. In as much as you're buying land, you are keeping, there is no loss. It is more beneficial than all of you losing.
Another benefit of land banking is hedge against inflation. This simply means that if there's any economic crisis, it would not affect the land. It would rather add more values to it. Passive investment once acquired. This means that you can invest on the land without a building on it, and it will bring more profit for you while you wait.
Now, potential holding for high returns. When you buy land and you keep, in the space of 5 years, 10 years, depending on how long you want to keep it, land appreciates. There is always an appreciational value for land. So now, do you get it? You actually need to buy it. In conclusion, we hope we have not been able to confuse, but to enlighten, educate you, and give you more insight on what land banking is. To learn more about the real estate world itself and what it entails, especially more land banking, do not forget to click the subscribe button on our YouTube page, like and comment to get more juicy topics on real estate. Hope to see you next time. Bye.